Hello everybody, guess who's back? It's us! I have
Olivia,
Anna from There She Goes,
Naomi.
This time around we're going to be picking different themes of the holidays and drawing our ideas from a hat. We have different like work Christmas parties, New Year's glam. You'll see my outfit on this video, but you'll have to check out everybody else's video to see what outfits they come out with. Let's begin!
Commence! Outdoor Christmas market!
Okay! She's a jacket specialist. Plus she already has a coat in her bag. Throws it in the cart. I knew this was...
It's full for
It's very much your style.
Dinner, boyfriend's family.
New Year's glam. Okay, full out glam. So I get office party? Okay, nice. Alright, so for somebody who works from home and has only ever had one corporate job from her life, I feel like I really know what I'm doing here, and I'll definitely dress appropriately for an office Christmas party. I just think of The Office. I love looking in the blazer section, but I don't have high hopes for it. Ideally, I would find like a two-piece suit. It's kind of a cop-out though, because that kind of just does the whole outfit for me. Yeah, you did. This one can smell leopard from a mile away. I think a satin blouse would be nice as well. I mean, if I got a button-up shirt, but in just a silky material. And Anna taught me this trick, is to check out the pajama section, which I'm gonna head into right now. Okay, maybe not so much. Can I just get this for fun? Definitely not blue. Oh, this is so pretty. What? Yes. Mean Girl style. It's like Mean Girls.
Oh my god, that is so perfect.
If I did this,
You should wear that for your office party. It's very
Oh my gosh,
appropriate.
that is so office appropriate.
something like this, if it was button down. I like the material. Very festive. Interesting. Interesting. 100% silk. Beetlejuice. Banana Republic. Oh, that's very sheer. Maybe not. I don't know if I want to go the skirt route. If it's an office party, I would feel most comfortable in pants. Oh, this is pretty. Maybe I spoke too soon. Piling up. A new thrift transformation project, maybe? Look at this amazing hook and eye detail. This is my first distraction piece. Not bad. Pretty good focus today, Letitia. What?
It's like a 90-degree
Yeah,
angle.
like a plummet.
Coming to Canada's Wonderland here.
Ooh. Not crazy about the heel. Anna sneezed Christmas onto her cart. That's what she did. Damn.
Sam dog. I'm moving.
Competition is stiff. I feel like I see leopard in everybody's cart. Leopard?
There might be.
A little leopard?
Okay, a little something.
Leopard? Alright, let's get started on this. So this is what I have in mind so far. I went for a lot of red, but I also tried to do something a little different. I also have the pajamas, but also this nice blazer piece. I thought that this would be long enough. Technically it is long enough to be appropriate for the office, but it looks a little too much like I'm wearing a shirt as a dress. This one's a mess. It looks really nice with the lipstick. Even with shoulder pads, this one's not bad. I love the material, but I think it's a bit too casual. This is it. I feel good in this. Are we coming out? Wow, it looks amazing. This one's mine. Pants are a little big, but... Ooh. Got a nice slit.
Dress for the job that you want.
And if you guys enjoyed, let us know which of the outfits you prefer. Make sure you check out everybody's outfits because they're pretty dope. Enjoy the rest of your holiday season from all of us to you.
Merry
Happy
Christmas
holidays. All of it. And Kwanzaa.